Hello my friends. In the previous video, we made buns and hamburger sauce together. Now let's make the best beef hamburger patties together. A fantastic homemade burger can always make your everyday barbecue great. As you know, the little things in recipes are very important. Therefore, even such a very simple thing as a hamburger cutlet will be of high quality if you choose the right type of meat. We'll also explore why chopping your own beef is best. Beef is generally the most commonly used burger cutlet. But it cannot limit your choices. Pork, chicken, turkey and even pure game are also great meats to make your own signature hamburger mix. But the important details are very simple. You should use fresh meat, the fat percentage and the degree of grind are important. Why fresh meat? There are several reasons. These burgers taste great and hold well. Chopping your own meat makes it easy to achieve your ideal fat percentage. Minced meat from the store will never provide such a result. You also have better control over what exactly goes into your minced meat. Grinding your own meat is generally cheaper. This process allows you to control what goes into your burger. If you grind meat in your kitchen, you can combine the meat, use different grinds, or just experiment. This is how the perfect burger recipes are created. If you only choose beef, you can also cook it in varying degrees of doneness. What is the ideal fat percentage for beef burgers? The best ratio is 15 to 20% fat in minced meat. This fat reveals the real taste of meat and the hamburger will not dry out during frying. You can combine fatty meats like pork with leaner cuts of beef for great flavor and texture. How coarse should you grind your burger? Practice shows that grilled coarse hamburgers lose a lot of fat. They become dry and dense. For grilling, it is better to use a finer grind. However, these results are turned upside down when it comes to making burgers in a skillet. Coarsely chopped hamburgers, pan-fried, retain more oily moisture. Which cuts of beef are best for burgers? The best cuts of beef for burgers are S-huck steak, brisket, boneless short rib, sirloin and tri-tip. If you want to make homemade burgers, this is one of those times when it's best to experiment to find out what you like. If you have the perfect combination of meat for a great burger, or some simple tips for cooking meat, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Happy impressions, friends. See you later.